you guys, in today's video I am going to talk about 3 hair care range that I got from Amazon Beauty. I wanted to do like a mini haul and also tell you guys why I picked these products up and what they do. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first set of products is actually something that I have tried and tested and I really enjoy using this line. It's from L'Oreal Professional and this is their Series Expert Gold Quinoa and Protein Absolute Repair Shampoo, Conditioner and Leave-In Serum. As you can see, I'm completely run out of the conditioner and also the shampoo. There's barely like one wash left in this. So I love the Absolute Repair range because it really helps in repairing my really dry and damaged ends. I feel like this conditioner is so nourishing to my hair and I like to use this at least once a week to deeply condition my hair. I've actually done a full video where I show you how I like to use this as a deep nourishing treatment, so I'm going to leave that down below. And then the shampoo is also really nice. I love how it just cleans my hair without drying it. And the last step to this shampoo and conditioner is the Absolute Repair Wheat Oil Nourishing Serum. This is again a very lightweight serum that I love applying to the ends of my hair and also to tame any sort of flyaways. The next range is from Matrix and it's actually a professional hair care range. This is the OptiCare Smooth Straight range. They have a shampoo, a conditioner and again a leave-in serum. This shampoo and conditioner is actually for those of you who have chemically straightened hair, like a Brazilian blow dry or like a cysteine or a keratin treatment. Those are like you're straightening your hair chemically, and there are like a lot of do's and don'ts for those hair type. And like for example, you can't oil your hair, so what happens is that your hair gets really dry. You need to keep your scalp clean without overly drying it, and I thought that would actually make so much sense for my hair. Even though it's not chemically straightened, I do straighten my hair quite a lot. I do use like heat tools very frequently because of my work. I'm constantly shooting, taking pictures, so my hair definitely gets a lot of heat than it deserves. So I really wanted to try this range. It is enriched with shea butter, and then the serum in the range is a professional split end serum. I actually tried it a little bit today and I like it so far. It's very lightweight and got absorbed really well, and this is supposed to mend and treat your split ends. Now let's see if that works out. I do have quite a lot of split ends because I decided to not chop my lengths. I really like the length of my hair, and because it has been so long that my hair has been growing, the ends really get dry, and I do not want to get rid of the ends as of yet. I want it to be slightly longer, so for now I do need some sort of a treatment for my split ends. The next range is again from Matrix, but this is their Biolage range. We've got their Smooth Proof Camellia Smoothing Shampoo, and then we've got the Smooth Proof Smoothing Conditioner and the Smooth Proof Deep Smoothing Serum. Now this is a more of an affordable range of hair care, and I was attracted to trying this because it is meant for frizzy hair. So for those of you who have medium to coarse hair that gets really frizzy, this is a range for you. It has camellia extracts and it provides like humidity control and anti-frizz smoothness, and it says here in the packaging that you would get that if you use all of 3 products together. I actually live in Mumbai where your hair always is frizzy. If you've ever been to any place that has a really high humidity, you know that your straightened hair would never stay straight because of how humid it is. My hair is constantly frizzy, and this line was also really affordable, so I thought why not just check it out. The Deep Smoothing Serum also has avocado extracts in it. That sounds really rich, like avocado oil is very nourishing. Hopefully this works for really frizzy hair, and we'll find out. Let me know if you guys want like a full review of me using these products in the comment down below, and if you've tried it, let me know what you think of it. All of the hair care products that you see here is from Amazon Beauty. You can get it on Amazon Beauty, and I have linked it all down below. I have linked all of the individual products to make it very easy for you guys. And again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are all healthy and safe. I will see you in my next video, and until then, don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of my future uploads, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.